Actually, nung naman ang sinasabi ko palagi na consider kung last time, first game mo yun o favorite, ngayon second game mo na, hindi na po pwedeng palaging rookie ka sa ginagawa mo. Kailangan din yung last time na sinabi ko na kung gano'n mo katibay yung siyempre, gano'n katibay yung team. So, yun siguro, magtiwala lang sa gano'n.
Coach, ano ba sigurong part ng identity ng Lasal na nawala ng first game na nakita niyo na ulit na bumalik?
Siguro yung pagdating sa loob ng court yung confidence nila. Kasi last Sunday, hindi ganun eh. Although nakangapa. Pero nandun naman yung buong tiwala ko naman na nandun sila. Pero yun yung unang inalis nila sa sarili nila na dapat may balik.
For a young angel, after nanong game na yun, like personally, like how did you take the past few days na heading into this game? Were you still carrying the pain of that loss today, or kumbaga you wiped it off and there were nothing sleep and just showed what we all know Lasal for in this game?
Maybe during that day, nandun yung pain, pero at the same time, sabi nga ni Gusto lang natatalo, lahat may natututunan kami. So, we don't consider that as like a loss kasi nga may natutunan kami. And at the same time, that loss is like, became a motivation for all of us kasi parang we really want to bounce back sa next few games na.
Gaya nga sinabi ni Ate Lee. Parang, syempre, kung nasa isip mo na natalo ka ng first game, parang hindi ka maka-move forward sa kung anong man kailangan mo gawin sa next game. So, I think nung day na yon, dinamdam talaga namin as a team and as individual, pero kailangan namin mag-move forward. So, kung ano man ang nangyari nung first game namin, kailangan i-stop na namin kung anong mga negative na comment na narinig namin or anong mga negative thoughts na meron kami, and doon na kami kung paano kami mag-improve as a team and syempre, sarili din po namin.